Good morning, all of you. Myself Sachin Rai. I am research scholar of Veer Bahadur Singh Purvanchal University, Jaunpur. My topic is investigation of the effect of temperature on mechanical and thermal property of hexagon transition metal disilcide. The outline of this topic is introduction, computational method, second and third order elastic constant, ultrasonic velocity, Debye average velocity, ultrasonic attenuation, and resultant discussion. Introduction. The transition metal disilcide where a higher melting point, specific resistance to high glide strength, higher temperature, oxidation and chemical furnace properties, and they engage mechanical. Consequently, they exist in higher temperature structure. Molybdenum disilcide is a strong wear resistance compound for application in higher temperature descriptive surrounding due to its higher hardness and elastic modulus. Study of the elastic property of the compound is acceptable, encouraged by it. For illustration, one orbit obtains nearby the chemical bond and cohesion of the compound by the higher order elastic constant. Parameter in this slide, the parameter is A and C upon A. Orientation dependent ultrasonic velocity, orientation dependent Debye average, orientation dependent thermal relaxation time, and temperature dependent ultrasonic attenuation. The present study of focus on the characterization of CrSiO2 and MoSiO2 compound using ultrasonic method, which is non-destructive in nature. In this slide, temperature dependent second order elastic constant and third order elastic constant for hexagonal structure nanotube. In this slide, the ultrasonic velocity for hexagonal structure materials. In this slide, the Debye average velocity Vd and thermal relaxation time. In this slide, ultrasonic attenuation, alpha long, alpha shear and alpha th are shown. In this slide, the second order elastic constant and third order elastic constant at room temperature of this material CrSiO2 and MoSiO2. And in this slide, the mechanical property M C square Br Bv Gr Gv and Y B upon G G upon B and sigma are shown in table. In this slide, the ultrasonic velocity VL, VS1 and VS2. The figure 1, the velocity VL is decreasing with angle and has least value of 45 angle, and after the again increases, and VS1 for this nano tube increases with Z axis and has maximum value at the 45 and after that decreases. Figure 3, it is evident that the velocity VS2 is the increasing with angle and has maximum at 90 degree are shown in the slide. And figure 4 and 5, figure 4 is the Debye average velocity are increasing with the angle and have maximum 55 since Vd is the calculated using VL, VS1 and VS2. And figure 5 is the relaxation time, so that the thermal relaxation time tau decreases lightly with angle up to 55 with unique axis of the crystal, and then increases of the crystal. The time for the establishment of the equilibrium of the thermal phonon distribution decreases with angle and has the maximum the 55 angle. In this slide, the ultra longitudinal and shear and total ultrasonic velocity. Figure 6, it obvious that the form the energy loss in the favor of the longitudinal wave, shear waves and thermoelectric loss increases with the temperature of the compound. And figure 7 is obvious, so that the thermoelastic loss is the extremely small in the similarity to the Akisar loss in favor of transition metal carbide and also the total attenuation. Conclusion, the principle established on the simple interaction potential approach remains valid for the calculating higher order elastic coefficient for hexagonally structured transition metal disilcide. The elastic constant have satisfied the Renaud-Born stability criteria for suitable nature of the superconducting transition metal disilcide. The Pugh ratio confirmed that the ductile nature of the superconducting compound. For CrSiO2 and MoSiO2 transition metal disilcide, tau is found to the 55 at all temperature. The time for establishment of the symmetry spread of the phonons will be minimum for the wave propagation in the direction. The mechanical behavior of the MoSiO2 transition metal disilcide are better than CrSiO2 transition metal disilcides. CrSiO2 and MoSiO2 behaves as the purest form at room temperature and the more ductile, demonstrated by the minimum ultrasonic attenuation, while at high temperature CrSiO2 and MoSiO2 transition metal disilcide are at least ductile. Thank you.